Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on gold dollar, I think this is a 1, 2, 3. I think this is a big ABC of 4. I think this move down is just a correction, and I believe this is going to end up continuing up, maybe even all the way to the $2,200 area, and maybe much further than that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the most important thing I see here is 1, 2, 3 waves down to a fib level. I think there's a very good chance that right there is the end of a correction, and if that is the end of a correction, then this most likely will be the continuation of the uptrend. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see what I think is a downtrend back here. This looks to me like a contracting triangle, like an A, B, C, D, E of wave B. And then this is a downtrend for the wave C. It did go past the 50%, but I would definitely consider that respecting the 50% level. And I think that this is potentially the end of an ABC correction, and most likely that would be the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to that 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like we may make another move down, like this is an A, this is a B, and this could be a wave C. Now, oftentimes what we think is a wave B will just end up being the continuation of the uptrend, so be careful trying to sort this, especially on shorter time frames. But it definitely looks like it should make an A, B, C, maybe go down to one of these fib levels, maybe fill at least 50% of this move right here before it actually ends up continuing the uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour, where it's actually a little bit more clear that this is probably a wave B, because this right here to me looks impulsive like an A. This looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up for a B. So if it does respect one of these fib levels, make an impulsive move down, then I would definitely go short for the continuation of this move down, potentially a wave C like I was showing on the 4 hour. But for me, I would definitely have to see a nice impulsive engulfing move down at a Fibonacci level to go short, because oftentimes what you think is a wave B will just keep on trending up, especially when you're in such a strong uptrend on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So for me personally, I would definitely only be looking for longs right now. And if it did go short, then that potentially could be a good short. But really, even if you do go short, I think you need to keep in the back of your head that it probably is a wave C, and it probably will, after completing a small downtrend, continue the bigger uptrend on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.